The shaft cage is rising. In just moments, we'll plunge into the deep to answer the call of the gold. But wait a second. Stop. That's only half the story. To truly understand what's going on here, we have to start from the beginning. Dive into a fully immersive 360-degree experience. Move your smartphone to look around. For the ultimate 360 degrees immersion, use a VR headset. Baron 1898. In 360 degrees. Welcome to the mine of Baron 1898. We've been hired as simple miners, or compels, to extract gold from the earth for the greedy mine owner, Baron Gustav Hugmode. The Baron, whose surname literally means hubris, promises us riches, but completely ignores the dire warnings of the Wit Weaven. These ghostly white ladies are the sworn protectors of this land. Their curse states, whoever steals the gold will be their eternal victim. The Wit Weaven have vowed to sabotage every one of the Baron's greedy attempts. And we are his newest, most gullible recruits. The coaster ride you're about to witness is our tragic escape, or our fatal plunge, from their wrath. The Baron's greed has sent us straight to our doom.
U zijt gewaarschuwd.
Now you know what awaits us in the depths. Watch as the Wit Weaven strike at the highest point. Hold your breath for the 37-meter dive. It's not a free fall, it's the Baron's fall from grace. Stick around for the Immelman, zero-G roll, and more. What a drop. Baron 1898 is not just a spectacular B&M dive coaster, but also a masterpiece of theming. Efteling has impressively proven here that even high thrill rides need a deep, compelling story. A must-ride for every thrill and story fan. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this immersive video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more theme park videos. See you next time.